Milosevic loved the business of beating up witnesses, and he took to sort of adversarial violence quite well. Judges took a more generous view of him than I did, like Lord Bonamy here, but that's what I thought. And the man was an idiot, I'm afraid. If he had been represented by some smooth lawyer saying, my client, you can imagine silvery hair and all the stuff like that, my client doesn't challenge any of the ordinary evidence in this case. Please read it into the evidence while I'm away dealing with a few more important things, and I'll come back to hear the evidence that actually connects my client to the crimes. We, the prosecution, would have been in an interestingly much more difficult position, because by the time we started that case, our evidence connecting Milosevic was not all that substantial. As the case passed, we got more evidence, and he made that possible by not being the best of advocates.